Hi guys, pretty excited about bringing our brand new Kagoule. So this is a really, well, it's not a really short, but it's one of our shorter range jackets, but it's probably the jacket which has more features than just about any other Swazi garment. Let's start at the top. We've got the legendary Swazi hood, and that has the wire around the rim and a piece of foam in this visor. So you can form the top of the hood so it fits your head, and especially for guys that are wearing glasses, that just means that the rain is not going to fog up and make those glasses wet. We've also got the water resistant zips which have a storm flap over them. What's really cool about the Kagoule is underneath that flap there's an opening, okay, and that's from this chest pocket here. If you want to put a radio inside this chest pocket, a lot of guys in Europe, they hunt with radios, then out of that opening you can pull your microphone or your earpiece and just plug it into the side of the jacket. Also in that chest pocket is the Swazi rubber label, and this is really cool because it's got a crosshair on it. So that's actually all covered in, but if you want to bring an aerial from your radio outside of the pocket, then what I do is I use some electrical tape. I just get the small roll, put that on the inside, then I get a scalpel or a really sharp blade, and I just nick that crosshair, and I can pull the aerial out through there, and then there's a little tab just on the edge of the collar, and you can put the aerial through there, and that stops the aerial from sticking you in the eye. Moving on down to the bottom here, you've got this big area which is all pocket, okay, like a kangaroo pocket. It's got 3 points of ingress, so you've got the hand warmer zips on the side, so you can just shove your hands in there, shove your gear in there. But also under this flap, there's another large zip, so you can just drop gear nice and easy into there. One of the new things for the Kagoule this year are the pit zips. So all the Kagoules will come with pit zips, and again, water resistant zip. If you just want to offload all that heat, zip it down. The fabric that we've used in all the Swazi wet weather gear this year is really exciting, really innovative. What we've done is we've given it a very low nap, so that means it's not going to wet out as much on the outside. It's still a knit, so it's nice and quiet, but we've also given it some stretch, and that just means that if you get snagged on a brush or a bush, the jacket actually almost like gives you a bit of a warning and says, hey, come back. So that should really help with stalking in heavy cover. On the back, if we go to the back, you have another point here where you can adjust your hood. So you can pull that hood right in nice and snug, and it means that your peripheral vision, that was pretty hard for me to say, wasn't it? Peripheral vision is still really good. And of course on the front of the hood, you have these nice pull and just click or pull and lock, and that just brings the whole hood facing around to cover your face. So it's a smaller jacket, a shorter jacket in the Swazi range, but I think you can see it's just absolutely packed with features, high performance, and lots of technology.